Hey guys, welcome to Computex 2026. We have the TRYX booth and we have James. James is going to show us some new products. So let's go.
So we have our FLOVA case now in sage green. So this is our newest colorway. We've seen a lot of really popular demand with the pink, and people seem to like, more colorways. So we're releasing our sage green.
I do like the white version. That's
the white version, super clean, super clean. Yeah. So just more options for people.
More colors available.
We have this right here.
Oh, that's a new one. What is this?
This is our new sub-brand called TRYX Neo, which will be launched in the second half of this year or early next year. But the TRYX Neo is basically focused on providing products that's innovative, that still has good performance for the entry-level market.
Oh, this comes up too.
Yes, yeah. So this is similar to like our TRYX. Yeah, but you have a fabric design panel.
What's the last thing on the side?
This one is AIO. So it'll be the AIO header.
Right.
Or the. So we'll have AIO as well as air cooler.
Nice, nice. Because that's kind of like a trend with the LED coming through the fabric.
Yes.
It does look pretty decent, nice.
It looks nice, right? So this with the FLOVA.
Yeah, because it's got the fabric material.
As well. Yeah. So right now just the black and white. We'll see if we do other colors.
I'm looking at this now. It has this new unibody fan. And it looks really nice.
Yes, this is...
I didn't realize how nice it looks. Look at how effective. Look at the visual effects on that. It's very nice. Got nice aesthetics.
100%. This is the LUCA Compact. So our LUCA case, but in a more, again, sizable version, more manageable. The LUCA was, quite large, and for people who needed that space, it's there. But for people who want, a smaller form factor, standard ATX style case.
This is it. You got a top glass
side, and the front.
Looks nice. Right. And you got this nice vents here for airflow.
Nice
dual chamber as well. So you can put the power supply at the back right there.
Check the design language. Still has the angular design from the LUCA.
Yep.
Right. You have right here.
So it just comes off. All right. This lifts up.
Both magnet and then there's a screw as well.
Yeah.
So it's a screw, magnet, and screw.
All right.
As for the fan,
does it come with the fans?
It doesn't come with the fan.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're looking at I believe it's a $109.99 global MSRP
for the case.
And what you can do with the fans is if you did want a more dynamic look, you can actually remove this.
Oh, it just slides off like that.
Turn around,
Oh, and you have an angular flow for the air, right?
Yeah. So you'll have
because I've seen some cases with the angle on the flow, or the airflow, so that's nice.
So you can angle it up.
Yeah.
In terms of the effect on airflow, to be honest, not really that much effect, difference. Yeah. But this is more for the visual effect.
Yeah, visual effect.
If you wanted to change up your look without doing major changes, you have this. But we have the LYNX 9.5 inch LCD display. So
the LCD display at the top?
Yeah, so we will have our own. This will be integrated with Canali, so you'll have all the same content and features from Canali with this LCD display. And that kind of finishes off what we have showing today.
Yeah, I like the way that TRYX have actually improved year on year, and they're making new products, innovative products. Look at the holographic all-in-one cooler, that's fantastic. And then you have, of course, the LCD display, and then you have the curved LCD with the Panorama SE version 2 and the Panorama version 2 with an all-new design which you can actually move and angle the display. That's fantastic. Look at the all-in-one kind of all unibody fan, and everything goes well with the whole ecosystem. All controlled by Canali software. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah.